Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Wernsai Sparkly Mermaid notebook set. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So I'm going to open it up and then I'm going to try it with my daughter and show you how it turned out. This notebook set has multiple pieces in it. There is the notebook, of course, and with the notebook, it has a cute heart-shaped padlock with some keys to open it. The pages of the notebook has lines in it, so it is great as a diary for little girls or even to take notes. It also comes with a mermaid bracelet, a pen, as well as a keychain. My daughter's favorite part are the sparkles on the notebook and the keychain. And you can use your fingers to flip over the colors to see the reversible sequins. On one side, you can see a mermaid design with the sequins, while on the other side, it turns blue. You can even make different shapes with the sequins as well, and she really loves playing with that. The bracelet has several different layers and colors, including blue, purple, and green, and also charms with pictures and words like love or mermaid. Overall, it is a really adorable notebook set that my daughter really loves, not just for drawing or writing, but also to play with the different features of the set. If you are in the market for a notebook set for girls, for your kids, or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion, don't forget to take a look at this.